Ever wanted to know the best things to do in Ooty, India? Well, have no fear, because I'm here to share with you all the amazing activities and attractions that this beautiful hill station has to offer. From fascinating views to delicious food, I'm going to take you through it all, so let's get started. Take a stroll in the Lush Botanical Gardens, soak up the beauty of nature, and take some amazing photographs to keep as memories. What's the quickest way to go from a state of stress to one of calm? Take a stroll in a botanical garden, of course. It's the perfect place to soak up the beauty of nature and take some amazing photographs to boot. Plus, the oxygen-rich air will leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Who needs a spa day when you can take a leisurely stroll in a garden instead? Just don't forget to bring your camera and sense of humor. There is bound to be at least one odd-looking plant that will make you giggle. Get awestruck by the breathtaking vistas at Beta Peak. It's a guaranteed way to get your spirits soaring. Ready to experience a natural high? Look no further than Beta Peak, where the scenery will take your breath away in the best possible way. With stunning vistas that stretch as far as the eye can see, you can't help but be awestruck. And who doesn't love a good staring contest with a mountain? It's like the scenery is daring you to blink first. But trust us, you won't want to miss out a single moment of the view. So get ready to let your spirit soar and your mind drifts away to a place of pure, unadulterated beauty. The view from Beta Peak is nothing short of breathtaking in more ways than one. Marvel at the vivid artistry of Biryani Lakeshore. It's an artist's paradise. Biryani Lakeshore is more than just a picturesque paradise. It's a masterpiece waiting to be discovered by the artists of the world. With its vivid colors and striking scenery, this destination is a muse for the creative mind. Whether you're an aspiring painter, a budding photographer, or simply someone who appreciates the finer things in life, Biryani Lakeshore will leave you in awe. So pack your brushes and canvas, charge your cameras, and take a stroll through this breathtaking slice of heaven. Who knows, you may just create your own masterpiece in a process. Fill up on wholesome food with a cozy meal at a traditional restaurant in town. You won't regret it. Feeling hungry? Skip the drive-thru and head straight to a traditional restaurant in town to fill up some good, wholesome food. Whether you're in the mood for some comfort food or a hearty meal that warms your soul, this cozy spot has got you covered. Think old-school recipes that have been passed down through generations, just like your grandma's cooking, but without unsolicited advice. Trust us, you won't regret indulging in a delicious and satisfying meal at this local gem. Plus, you'll feel like a true insider, knowing all the best places to eat in town. So grab a seat, order up, and enjoy the simple pleasures that come from a good home-cooked meal. Grab some souvenirs from one of Ooty's unique bazaars. Pick up something special to remind you of your trip there later. Ready to knock your souvenir shopping out of the park? Head to one of Ooty's quirky bazaars for a one-of-a-kind trinket that will forever remind you of your trip to this unique destination. Go ahead, let your imagination run wild as you peruse the bustling markets. Who knows, maybe you'll stumble upon a mysterious potion brewed by a local witch who swears it'll bring you good luck for the rest of your life. Or maybe a hand-woven rug that'll transport you back to the winding streets of Ooty each time you glance at its intricately colorful design. With so many treasures waiting to be discovered, it's time to get your bargaining hat on and hit those eclectic bazaars. Sample local delicacies like sweet pangal or mutton biryani. You'll definitely want another helping. Don't let your eyes deceive you. Those sweet pangals and mutton biryanis may look innocent, but they are full of flavor bombs waiting to explode in your mouth. Your taste buds will thank you as you savor every juicy and spicy morsel. Be warned though, one helping is never enough. You'll find yourself scraping the bottom of the bowl, wondering how you're going to get your hands on more. So go ahead and indulge in the local delicacies. Just be prepared to crave them for days to come. Sip some freshly brewed tea from a quaint tea factory nearby. Sip away into oblivion with this quintessential experience. Are you tired of your mundane daily routine? Need a quick refreshing escape? Say no more. Head on over to the quaint tea factory nearby and indulge in some freshly brewed tea. Whether it's to cozy up with a good book or catch up with a friend, this quintessential experience will transport you to a world of flavor and relaxation. Sip away into oblivion and forget all your worries. You'll leave feeling refreshed and ready to take on the world, or at least the rest of your day. So why wait? Grab your favorite mug and get ready to sip on some terrific goodness. Indulge in some tantalizing street food delights. Don't let your taste buds miss out on this yummy treat. Let's get real, folks. Who doesn't love a good street food binge? The smells, the sizzling sounds of grilling, and the sheer delight of indulging in a mouth-watering treat. So savory, it puts all other meals to shame. Don't be shy, my fellow foodies. Let your taste buds run wild and free as you sample some tantalizing street food delights. From spicy tacos to crispy falafel, there's a world of flavors out there waiting for you. So let's dig in and live life to the fullest, one street food bite at a time. Unwind in the peaceful environs of Malai Wildlife Sanctuary. Take a break from the hustle and bustle and pick up some rare wildlife sightings here. If you're in a desperate need of a break from the city's chaos, then do yourself a favor and head straight to Malai Wildlife Sanctuary. This serene oasis is the ideal spot to unwind and escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Not to mention, while you're here, you'll have the chance to spot some wildlife that you won't see just anywhere. So pack some binoculars, grab your camera, and come soak in some peace and tranquility while admiring some of nature's most majestic creatures. It's like a little slice of heaven, but with some exotic animals to boot. Enjoy an enchanting boat ride on Ooty Link. Let yourself ride away into serene bliss as you bask in its majestic beauty. Are you wondering where to end your trip to Ooty with a bang? Look no further than the enchanting Ooty Link. Hop on a boat and let yourself ride away into a world of serene bliss as you bask in its majestic beauty. You'll feel like you've been transported to a magical land where all your worries disappear and everything is simply perfect. So whether you're taking a solo adventure or traveling with a group, an enchanting boat ride at Ooty Link is the ultimate way to end your trip with a bang. I hope this guide has given you some great ideas for things to do in Ooty. Whether you're a nature lover, foodie, or culture enthusiast, Ooty has something for everyone. So what's it going to be? Would you rather take a leisurely stroll through the lush botanical gardens, or get your adrenaline pumping with a trek through the hills? Let us know in the comments below. We are Travel Buddy, your guide and forever travel buddy. If you enjoyed and loved this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!